Welcome to our gummy bear activity. We know what some substances do when they're heated up, and we also know what some substances do when they are frozen. But what about substances that just sit in water for a long time? How about if we experiment by giving our gummy bear an extended bath? Before our gummy bear can take a bath, we need to make a hypothesis. Does everybody remember what a hypothesis is? That's where you predict what's going to happen. So look at your worksheet under question number 1, and there's your hypothesis. What do you think the gummy bear is going to do when it soaks in water overnight? Pause the video so you can write your hypothesis, and when you're ready, start the video again. Here is our gummy bear that's going to take an overnight bath. So look at your worksheet under question number 2. Sketch what you see about this gummy bear. And here it is again. So pause the video so you can look at it and sketch what you see. Before we give our gummy bear a bath, what kinds of observations do you think we should make before we put the gummy bear in the water? Look at your worksheet under question number 3, and here's your data table. We're going to measure the length of the gummy bear and then measure the weight of the gummy bear before we put it in the water. Let's measure the length of our gummy bear before we put it in the water. So here's our ruler. Our measurement is in centimeters. So pause the video if you need to write the length on your data chart under length for day 1. Next, let's measure the weight of our gummy bear, and here it is on the digital scale. And it weighs 3 grams. So pause the video if you need to write 3 grams under weight for day 1. So I put the gummy bear in the water and I let it set overnight, and here's what it looked like the next day. What kinds of observations can you make before I took it out of the water? So let's measure it again. Here's our gummy bear after it came out of the water. And again, remember the measurement is centimeters. If you need to pause the video so you can write it on your data sheet for day 2, pause the video if you need to. Here is our gummy bear being weighed again after it came out of the water. Remember, the measurement is grams. If you need to pause the video to write it on day 2 on your data sheet, pause the video if you need to. Here's a short video of what the gummy bear looked like and kind of felt like after I took it out of the water. And now it's time to finish your worksheet. You have a conclusion to write, and the last question is about what the observations you can make in this video and about your gummy bear in general. So good luck.